Here in this lesson, we are going to talk about factors that lead to evolution or a change in population. Number one, gene flow. Gene flow is the process of genes or alleles moving from one population to another by moving of members from place to another place or from population to another population, like migration or seed dispersion. The second factor that leads to a change in population, genetic drift. Genetic drift is a change in allele frequencies or losing of alleles due to chance events or abrupt change. It means natural disasters or diseases happen, lead to losing of alleles in population. Genetic drift or losing alleles has two types. The first one, the bottleneck effect. A population undergoes bottleneck can lead to genetic drift. What's the meaning of bottleneck? Bottleneck effect means a disaster happens. Disaster happens leads to losing of alleles. Losing of alleles or losing of different traits in a population. It is called bottleneck effect. Happened because of a disaster. After bottleneck effect happened, we have here only limited traits and no variation in population because other traits are disappeared because they couldn't survive. The founder effect is the second type of genetic drift. It means losing of alleles, but it is not resulted from disaster. But when a few individuals start a new population in a remote place, start new colony, few individuals with limited traits. They have limited traits because they are few individuals. It is called founder effect. The founder effect is a genetic drift that occurs after start of new population or new colony. Here, the third factor that leads to change in a population, non-random mating. Non-random mating, it means sexual selection. Sexual selection. Sexual selection because not all males can get females to mate or to breed because males not be selected by females for breeding. They are going to be disappeared because they didn't mate. Because of sexual selection, a lot of males are disappeared. So, a lot of traits are disappeared. It leads to change in allele frequencies within a population. Sexual selection. Sexual selection is a selection in which mate is chosen on basis of a particular trait. Mate here is breeding, indicates breeding or crossing. You know, in animals, males try to attract females by displaying certain traits, like birds dance, or frogs sing to attract females. When the males display certain traits to attract females, it is called intersexual selection. And some males compete to get females. Some males compete to get females. This kind of selection here is called intrasexual selection. Intrasexual selection.